Priya Mohanraj. Thank you very much.
I have to say I'm just so impressed by the sharing and true celebration of the spirit of our youth. To see the young ones have such vision and to understand all of us as teachers and parents, they just need that little nudge forward, to make things a reality. And you, Braj, I mean, having known you for a great number of years, I echo the sentiment of none other than you that can really motivate. And you've got the special magic to bring alive, to offer a platform. And a special quality is to recognize every child, everybody. And that personal identification does something for everyone, urging them to give of their best. So God bless and more giant strides.